Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be going down over NIO, what it did today, how I pretty much told you guys that it was going to sell off, and it did, and we'll be viewing the chart, levels I'm looking at for it to recover, where it's going to bounce at, and just basically all the information you need to know from a technical standpoint. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, and subscribe. Your support is truly appreciated. And I also have a free Discord server, link in the description below. We're super active during market open, so if you ever need help with your trading, this is the place to be. Now let's get right into the video and let's talk about NIO. So guys, if you haven't watched my recent NIO video, yesterday I said, hey, it looks like we're most likely going to be coming back down to at least the $59 range at the very least, because we know that, NIO day, Monday, we gapped up, huge day, but ever since then, we've just been doing this slow bleed off. So, to me, it looked like that sell-off was coming. Just because we were doing this slow, controlled sell-off, I was like, hey, it's most likely coming to $59 at the very least, and if not, $57. Well, if you were able to capitalize on that dip, you got both entries. So, the $59 range, it came to that, then what happened? It just immediately sold off. Now keep in mind though that during this same time the whole overall market was selling off. So we had the NASDAQ, it sold off, but where did it found support? Right at my line. SPY, same thing, it sold off. It kind of got a little deeper though, but it sold off, and now things are trying to recover slowly. But NIO is the same way, right? It had a dip of, what was this, to 56.39, so it was getting there. Definitely if it hadn't came back over this, I would have said it's heading to that 53 dip. It was looking like it was, but then what happened? Buyers came in, and then it held above this area right here. So I know this video, I'm recording this early, I'm probably posting it really early, so there's going to be a lot of time still left for market, to do its thing. So what's the game plan with NIO? What you need to look at for the close of the day, and what you need to know for next week. So obviously, it got below $59, right? That was our first dip buy opportunity. It got below that. We just basically blew right past that. That was to be expected. Everything was selling off today. I mean, everything was selling off today. There were very few things that were safe today. Facebook, Microsoft, those were green today, which was unusual. But the important thing is, though, that we got below $59, but then we were able to hold this $57. Yes, we got underneath it, but buyers came in and we were able to hold it. So we've been finding support ever since. Now I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour time frame just so we can get a little better understanding of what actually happened. So this was the first hour. We just had this huge basically sell off, and then what happened? We found buyers came in and we held this area. So right now, as long as we can hold this area right here around $57, then it will be completely fine. Now, the question is, if we break $50, where is it? Sorry, $57, where is it heading? Well, if we break this $57 mark, then I still stand by the dip buy here at $53.69. There is no other support, or at least strong support, until $53.69. Notice that we had this gap here because we were hype over NIO Day on last Friday. Same thing here. There's no support, really strong support, until $53.69. That's why I said in my previous videos, even a pullback down to $53.69 would just be a healthy pullback. That's all it is. Gives you an opportunity to add more or even start your position again. I know a lot of you are holding NIO, so this dip buy or this sell-off may become a surprise to you right now. You notice that we are down a lot, but this was completely predicted. I knew this was going to happen. Not to this level, I would say, but I knew that the sell-off was coming. I've been saying this in my previous videos. I was like, hey, NIO, it needs just a healthy pullback, and we got it. Now, I still wouldn't mind a pullback down at $53.69. I know a lot of y'all are probably thinking I'm crazy or what's wrong with me, but $53.69, that's not out of the question yet. I mean, we were going towards it today, this morning. It looked like we were heading towards it, but buyers came in. So even if we get to $53.69, guys, I would not panic. I would not be scared out of my position. I wouldn't panic sell. I would just add on. And if you can, yeah, like I said, I would just add on. That's an amazing dip buying opportunity. Now the question is if we get there. I don't know if we get there, but I do think that this 57, at least for the moment, will hold. But keep in mind, markets closed on Monday. So whatever's going to happen, it's going to happen Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Market's closed on Monday, so be on the lookout. And especially how we close today. We still got plenty of time. We're just 2 hours into the market open. We still got plenty of time. Watch this key level right here at $57. That's the level you need to watch if it holds. And then once we get back above $59 again, then we will be bullish again. But until we can ultimately get above $59, we aren't bullish yet for the short term. Long term, we're still in this amazing uptrend, guys. There's no need for you to panic. There's no need for you to worry. Long term, still doing amazing. And like I said, even a dip by to 53.69 wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't cause me to be alarmed. It wouldn't whatsoever. Either way, guys, I just wanted to get this quick NIO video out for you. I know it was down a lot today. A lot of y'all are probably looking for answers. What's happening with NIO? And the short story is, this is just a healthy pullback, guys. That's all it is. There's no news related. This is just a healthy pullback, and this is something we needed. Either way, guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate all the support, all of the likes, and all of the comments. It truly means a lot to me. Trust me, I'll look at all of the comments. I try to reply to some of them, and then I like all of them. Either way, guys, thank you for being here, and I'll see you all in the next video.